Hey friends, I am here with a old and dear friend, Sharon Gilbert, and she is about to share a recipe that will blow your mind. Sharon, just tell everybody what the ingredients are.
Okay, key ingredient, Bluebell. It has to be the homemade vanilla. You literally have to get it almost to a soupy consistency. When you come home from the store, just put it on the counter and just get it melted.
As well as this has been sitting out for 2 hours.
If you like it creamier, you can find the 12 ounce, but do not use low fat, do not use fat free. Same with the ice cream. Do not use sugar free, use the real.
You've got to be real specific.
Got to be real specific.
Okay, and
so
this is
original. Just get the original. Okay.
Now for the fun part.
And then also the Oreos, family size, and make sure it's double stuffed. Has to be double stuffed. You just, that's the perfect consistency. You're gonna just,
it's just
kind of break it apart, and then I just do a dash.
This is gonna make it taste more homemade.
Yes, very important. Just do a little dash. There you go.
Okay.
Perfect, Jamie. Put the whipped cream in there. And then the thing that works the best for me, before you add the Oreos, go ahead and get this mixed up.
Mixed. You want me to do it with my hands?
Completely, sure. This is really the perfect consistency.
Okay, and
so they'll support the weight of the Oreos.
Yes.
And now, this is important. Leave large chunks of Oreos. And just kind of twist them to be about that consistency, not too broken up.
Okay, so Sharon, and then you just stir.
You stir, 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 and then
now tell us about the freezing and the storage.
Notice this is a stainless steel bowl. If you want to serve this quickly, leave it in the stainless steel because it will get cold quicker and freeze it quicker. And you have a deep freeze.
Well, I have an upright freezer.
Right, a couple of layers of foil, and that's it, you're done. So you want to make sure if you're going to serve it that night, make it in the morning. And it'll freeze in a few hours. Or if you have like a Rubbermaid container that has a lid, I'll put it in that and put it in the freezer.
I'll tell
something like that.
I'll tell everyone what I'm going to do. This is going to go to someone who I'm taking a meal to. So Sharon told me to put this in my freezer, and I make sure you have room in your freezer. So I'm going to cover it with foil, put it in the freezer.
Layers, because she needs it quicker than... Yeah, so she's going to let it freeze quicker in this.
And then when it's
almost frozen, you can transfer it to that.
And then I'll put it back in the freezer maybe for another hour, and then I'll take it to my friend. Thank you for sharing this with us today, because y'all, I promise you, you're going to want to make this recipe. It's great. Sharon, thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Friends, okay, this Oreo ice cream is almost frozen. The consistency that I can take it from this container to the one that I'm gonna store it in, and it will continue to freeze in that. It's so good, and it actually tastes homemade. But you can see, it's as simple as can be. Anyone can do it. So I've smoothed that down, take out the air, and there you have it. Guys, give this dessert a try. You will not regret it.